checking the viewfinder, see where I need to be. There we go. Much better. So I went and got a tripod because, and I'm really hoping this shows in the frame properly. American 1100. Don't know if it's focusing. I can't see the viewfinder. We don't need those. So I use top of the keyway tension because it gives me enough room. This keyway is actually really kind of tight. Trying here. Tension was too tight. I grabbed the security pin wrong. It's one. Now I had to go to the back on this lock. It's two. A little bit of love out of that pen. Now I overset one. Reset. God, the weather's just been trash here. My throat is destroyed. Forgive me. See, now it wants to give me trouble because I got the camera going. That's the way it goes. It's that one. That one. That's it, guys. American 1100 picked on camera. A screwdriver. I'm going to gut this as far as I can. Now I don't own a follower, but I can get it probably pretty far without that, although I can't empty the core. One screw, blue Loctite, very nice. There is the, I don't know what you call it, the cover plate there, the retainer bolt. That's it for what's inside. Let's see here now. There's this tiny little, I don't know if this is focusing on camera, there's a tiny little C-clip there. Now, I do know how these come apart. I've watched several videos, and I believe I can just pull the C-clip. I don't know if that shows up on the back of my hand there. There's the C-clip. Again, like I says, I do not own a follower. But to demonstrate the correct way for this lock to be disassembled is you would slot your follower over the back end of the cylinder, and you would follow through with it, making sure, I should really not do that direction. I had the top of the keyway towards the ground there. And then you would follow the entire thing out, using the follower to prevent the spring-laden lock pins in here from going ping and appearing never to be seen again. So we're not going to do that. Let me just set that back to lock so it can't escape on me. And then I'll go ahead and reassemble. There is the C-clip. I do have a set of lock pins and things on order. They just not arrived yet. I honestly didn't expect to progress this far that quickly. Okay. Now we will, that goes that way. Go with the reassemble. This goes that way. Turn her over. Drop her in. Be careful with this, not to cross thread it. It did just try to cross thread on me. That would probably ruin your lock. And to prove she is still functional, there we go. Still good and tight. Okay, it's been Fox Screen Names. Christ, I think this is a blue belt lock, although I'm a yellow belt. Submitting for orange or whatever level you'll give me for this piece of win. I will take note that this 1100 turned out to be easier than all others. If you look at the key here, you will notice, I've turned around for you to really see it, you will notice here pins 2 and 3 right there. 2 and 3. Let's see. Grab a lock pick for those pins. 2 and 3 are basically a 0 lift, and 4 and 5 are a 2 lift. The only real pin to fight was this one. Once I got the feel for that, she essentially fell open. Thanks, guys. Love you, mods. Love you, Reddit.